Hey, what's up guys? Do you want to know how to pass your driver's test the first time? I can show you that. My name is Mandeep Burmi. I'm the owner of Ace Driving School and Truby Cars. I'm a certified driving instructor and I will show you guys how to pass your driver's test the first time. Real instructor, real secrets. See, most people fail their driver's test on critical mistakes. They know how to drive, their driving is fine, but when they go for the test, they still fail. Why? Because they don't know all the critical mistakes. And there are about 153 possible critical mistakes that you can have in the driving test. So let me show you something. Here's my ebook. That's where I list all the critical mistakes in the driving test. You can download my ebook if you want to know all the critical mistakes. Now look at this. When you're just starting your driving test, you can have 8 possible critical mistakes and 12 general mistakes. And when you're in a parking lot, okay, when you're driving in a parking lot, you can have 5 critical mistakes. When you're entering in a parking lot, you can have 6 critical mistakes. When you're about to exit a parking lot, there are possible 7 critical mistakes. And what about stop sign, traffic lights? So look at this: stop signs, one-way stop sign, two-way stop sign, three-way, four-way stop sign. You can have 12 critical mistakes and there are 12 general mistakes. Guys, these are different situations that you have to know before you go for your driving test, because if you don't know all the critical mistakes, I'm sure you're gonna get one. So link is in the description below. You can get a copy of this. It's completely free. You don't need to pay anything. See, traffic lights, left turn set traffic lights, 15 critical mistakes and 13 general mistakes. So we got everything in this ebook: left turn set traffic lights, right turn set traffic light, roundabouts, one-way streets, downtown driving, what else, when you're merging, when you're yielding, lane change. So everything, almost everything in this ebook, and it's completely free. Link is in the description below. You will also see somewhere on the screen, so you can get a copy of this. And I wish you guys good luck for your driving test.